guys, welcome back to my channel. It is only 5:30 right now, and look how dark it is out right now. I would think it was like 9 o'clock, but it's not. So my car is really loud, so you're gonna hear that in this intro. But what is up, you guys? It is vlogmas day 4, and I'm gonna be shopping for Christmas ornaments for my room. I've never been into decorating my room for Christmas. I don't know why. I just like never spent like the money or time to like go out and get the things and then like decorate it. I don't know, it's just not my thing. My sister's into that. She has her room decorated. So we're gonna be going to some stores like Hobby Lobby, Christmas tree shops, and just things to get like cute little decorations for my room. And tomorrow, vlogmas day 5, I will show you guys the actual room and me decorating it. I'm not here to shop for pillows, but boy, if I was. Okay, since I'm decorating my room, I don't want anything green or red. I know that's the Christmas colors, but I just don't like color like that. So I feel like I'm just gonna get like simple things. This or gold or silver, like something plain and like not so like, hi, I'm Christmas. By the way, like everything is 50% off right now. Ooh, these are cute, but this is like living room decor. They actually have cute stuff. Okay, well, we're definitely not putting a Santa Claus in my room because I don't want that staring at me at night. So, this is so cute. 20 of these stands for Christmas. It's like everywhere. I'll probably get something from here. Oh my gosh. I'm scared to touch half the things in here. Definitely one of these. These are so cute. I feel like the Noel one's cute. $5, and it's 50% off of $5. So it's $2.50. I need new string lights. These are the ones I always get. $6, and they're really long. And they're 25% off. Huh?
Hi. Got everything all right?
Yes.
Anything that you do or don't want on your chicken joint?
No.
Anything else?
A $1 frozen Coke.
Let me see if it's working.
Why would you have it if it doesn't work?
No, I'm sorry, it's not working. We have the frozen black cherry.
That is Chick-fil-A. All like done up and decorated for Christmas, you guys. I was, no, I'm not recording right now. I'm at a stoplight anyways. But, I told my mom, I was like, oh my god, get that on record. And she literally drops her whole burger in her lap. Burlington. They actually have really cute stuff here for obviously super cheap because it's Burlington. And if they had like a Marshalls or a TJ Maxx, I would so go to that too. And has all their Christmas sets out. Oh, okay. I didn't know where it was, but I found it. Oh my god, wait, what is that? What is this? What is it? Is this a candle holder? That's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love snow globes, but like I have a really bad fear that like I'm gonna start shaking it from here and this is just gonna fly off. So, gosh, these are so cute. Are these candle holders? What are these? Am I stupid? I don't know what that is. Does your guys' phone ever die and then like without charging a couple minutes later, like it just turns on and it's at like a higher percentage than 10? I'm recording on my phone right now, which I said was dead, and it was because I was recording in Burlington and it shut off, and now it's at 10% again, so I really don't know what's good with my phone. Do you guys want to know one of my biggest pet peeves, like ever, is when you have something so cute and then it has something stupid on it, like girl gang, really. Like I hate like girl power, I hate all that, like so much. It's like my biggest pet peeve ever. I don't know if I'm gonna get hate for saying that, but it's true. Maybe we would have so much power if we didn't talk about ourselves and how good we are all the time. By the way, I absolutely need these. So we're now in Target because they always have like this $1 to $5 section that has like the cutest things in it. We're not even gonna bother looking like in the actual section in the back for Christmas stuff. We just want it to look in like that cute little section. I mean, this shopping center literally has everything. If it looks a little bit similar, it's because it's the same exact shopping center that Nikki and Gabby shop at. Yeah, I lived like right around the same area as them. I literally met them before, so it's pretty cool because I always watch their videos and like I recognize where they are. So we're going to Ross first just because it's right here. Anything, but then I found this like little section. It has this cute little reindeer, which is only $6. We're now at the Christmas tree shops, which was next door. Oh, those polar bears are cute. If they were smaller, I would get one, but those are like big. Oh my god. Guys, if you didn't know, I'm obsessed with squirrels. Oh, I like the snowman. The tiny snowman. Oh, oh my god. And there's a squirrel hugging it. Aww.
Oh, I took pictures of something.
It doesn't match. If the scarf wasn't red and green, I would have got it. We're now in AC More because the Christmas shops. Oh my gosh. That is so. I would keep that up all year round. I know I already made my Christmas wish list video, but this is an update. This is on it. It's only $4. Oh my god, it's so soft, and the gray owl is so cute. I found a mini version of that nutcracker for $7, and it even holds a picture like at the top. So that's actually me though.
Anything else today?
That'll be it.
$10.91, please.
I don't know how many things I got. Where are we? Dude, I put my car right here. Those lights are really annoying. Oh, their whole front bumper was off.
Well, the SUV was in the center, just stay in the center.
It's like 8 o'clock now. Oh, that's cute.
Oh my god, this stuff is so cute.
Oh. These are all ornaments though.
Mm-hmm.
So we found this 6-pack for $6 and they're smaller and cuter.
Big Lots rewards card.
So we're just getting out of Big Lots. It's like 8:30 now, and we got 3 things so far. Moon even has like cute little eyelashes. You'll never guess who I just saw. My ex-boyfriend's girlfriend. She always backing out of something. So I text her, and every time I text her, she wants to back out. So if you're watching this, just know, like, it is 9:40 and we're now home. I honestly don't know what took us so long to get home. He don't love you. No, but we have lots of bags from like what, Hobby Lobby. I don't even know what stuff we got, but I guess you guys will see in tomorrow's vlog. I'm not gonna do a haul because then it would kind of give like everything away. So I'm gonna say what I got tomorrow in Vlogmas Day 5 and obviously decorate it and organize it for you. But that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end if you made it. I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow, and I love all of you so much, and bye guys.
Hi guys.